Now, should we move to the next space, the next station in our vocal apparatus, which among consonants is the cha varga? Can anybody guess what vowel we're going to find at the cha varga?
You?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Now here is the exercise that you will be doing for the next few weeks with this as we go over syllables. I want you to feel where it is in your mouth that you articulate oo, Kailash. Show me. Pronounce it for me and show me. Everybody look. When you pronounce it, Kailash, where is he pronouncing it from? Pronounce it, Kailash.
Well, it's being ooh, it's involving the lips.
Well, there you go. So the lips are the pa varga, right?
How about the
There's
the short u.
No, that the u and oo are both coming from my lips, right? It's obvious. So in other words, what I want you to see is that there are specific points of contact in specific spaces, because these will become analogs of other things. These will become analogs of the stars in the sky, of the geography of the earth, of the elements, and for those of you that have worked a little bit with Kashmiri Shaivism, with the tattvas. All the tattvas are analogs of points of articulation as well. So,
if I take off forward, if I move off forward just by doing this, and push it forward, I get kind of sound.
Okay, you're moving in the right direction. That's absolutely the right direction. So, here we are at the syllable a. Now, Shiva has this desire. He wants to know himself. This is kama. This is a desire. And as that desire arises in Shiva, as the calm lake, the still lake of consciousness is disturbed, as if dropping a stone in that calm lake, there is a rise from the first varga, from the ka varga to the cha varga, in terms of vowels, from a to e. Not e, because that's giving too much effort, but effortless e. A, e. I want everybody to pronounce that and feel that movement, because this is the very basic movement that starts the universe. A to e. Not A, because we're going to discover, we'll discover in a little while that A comes from A plus E. If you say the two together, you get A, right? But we're staying still very simple here. And we want to articulate the simple vowels without any effort whatsoever. You see, with when we put effort into it became ah. In the same way that if we put effort into I, we get E. As Kailash already mentioned, with the letter U, this is the third of the very important, the basic vowels, and we go from I in Sanskrit, I believe it's the Talavya, to U, which is the lips. So we have a movement in vowels of A to I to U. Everybody pronounce that and feel that movement.
I,
Not you, not you. Now, I'll tell you why, Kailash, you were tempted to say you, or actually did say you. And that is because you were following the vowel E with U. And there is something I have to tell you about these vowels. That vowels, when they condense, and you can almost say, in fact you can say that these are the visargas of these vowels, that the vowels become consonants. So we saw how A becomes Ha, but accidentally Kailash found that I becomes Ya. When the vowel I condenses, contracts, it becomes Ya. Now, can anybody tell me what would happen to the vowel U if that contracts?
Oh, what consonant or what?
What consonant?
What consonant?
Yeah, what consonant?
Ma.
Okay, well, here's an easy way to find out. Pronounce U and then pronounce A. There you go. There you go. You see? So what I want you to start seeing with these exercises is that you are not superimposing sounds. And I don't want you to memorize, at least not yet, I don't want you to memorize what vowel, what consonant is where and this and that, because that's not the way that it works. The way that it works is that it pre-exists in potential in your vocal apparatus. And if you will explore it with a map, keeping in mind that the map is not the thing, that you will discover these things on your own. In the same way that you could discover when the vowel I condenses or contracts, what consonant does it become? Well, you put A, you put I plus A, and discovered that, or sorry, U plus A, and you discovered Wa. Not because you knew that it was Wa, or theorized it was Wa, or memorized that it was Wa, but because that's the process of speech itself, and you were able to discover that.